miles to go, never staying still. On the move, always chasing through. Every step, every mile, every breath, every smile. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. No place, no face, every single day. Train tracks, plane maps, show me the way. Feet on ground, head in clouds, living for the rush. Moving fast, moving past, never in a hush. Every step, every mile, every breath, every smile. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Started with a backpack and a one-way ticket out. Didn't know where I was going, but I had no doubt that the world was waiting for me with its arms open wide. So I stepped into the current and I learned to ride. Every border that I crossed was a door that opened up. Every language that I heard was another way to sup from the well of human stories and the places people call their home sweet home. But for me, the road's my hall. Bus stops and train stations, airports and the street. Every journey that I take makes my story more complete. Not looking for a destination, just a feeling of the flow. When you're always moving forward, there's no telling where you go. From the mountains to the ocean, from the desert to the trees. Every landscape tells a story in a different set of keys. And the rhythm of my footsteps keeps a beat inside my chest. Moving forward, moving on, never stopping for a rest. Feel the motion in my bones. Feel the freedom in my soul.